Yes, hi.
Yeah,
I'm still here. I'm just waiting to find out what the model is from you.
STS, right? All of the paperwork and everything for her is in the car.
Did you say it was a STS?
Correct.
So is that a Cadillac?
Uh-huh.
Something seems a little off about this call. But
Okay.
just like every time I get I have a question, it seems like there's like a delay in the answer with regards to like
Yeah, car, and I was getting secondhand information. I was just trying to give you what I knew.
I wasn't just referring to that question. I said every time I had a question. So
2011.
2011 Cadillac STS. What color is it?
Correct. What color is it? Silver. They just got it.
Okay. So is it under their name?
Yeah.
Is it at a house or an apartment complex or
Yeah, apartment.
apartment? Is the apartment number?
That's the number. That's the number of the like the address.
Okay. Is there an apartment number?
2405, you'll see it. There's only one fucking Cadillac STS in the parking lot.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't mean to be short. It's like I didn't even want to call you guys. And I'm just like,
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, and it's like super like early in the morning. So yeah, and I'm sorry if my statement came off in any way like rude. I don't I don't
I
like
just feel like you were asking a lot of questions.
what was that?
I just felt like you were asking like a lot of questions for like,
Yes, I do, because I want to know exactly who's calling and what I am headed out to before I head out to it. Make sure that I can do it for one, and two, to be able to quote you properly. Because,
I didn't understand that.
but to give you a price as far as over the phone goes, the service call fee for us to come out is going to be $65, and then the cost for the unlock is going to be 85.
And she wants to know how much for a key if she can't find her key.
On that car, it's not something that we would be willing to do right now at this moment if you're needing a key. But as far as cost goes, with the programming and the key cut, you're probably looking at about 200, 250.
How much I'm paying for my Toyota? So they could at least let you in. Okay, yeah. So how much total is it gonna cost?
So with the service fee and the cost for the unlock, the total is 150.
Okay. She wants you guys to send somebody else.
Okay. All right, and I've got for the name Cadillac STS 2011 silver. And the best phone number for us to reach you at is it this number here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Great. We'll be headed out here shortly. Probably be about 20, 25 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Thank you for the call, and we'll see you here shortly. And we do take card or cash.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Alright, everybody. It's Brandon Wingerter with B-Dubs answering the call. It's 3:30 in the morning. Got this call about 10 minutes ago. That was a 10-minute call. It's between the time that I picked up and now. It's only been 5 minutes since I've been recording. Super late or early in the morning, whichever way you look at it. I went to bed. Got to bed probably about 12:30. So 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. 3 hours of sleep on a Monday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get up and get going. See you guys on the way to the job. Alright. It's now 3:40 in the morning, so it's been about 10 minutes. We've got about 15 minutes to get to the job to be about the time I told him I would be. Same routine, different time, different day. Now there's a saying that goes, there's no rest for the wicked, but I don't believe that's true. There's no rest for the righteous, right? The wicked can sleep all day long if they want, because they party at night. Anyway, just my 2 cents. You can see it's the ass crack of dawn. Everybody else in the world's still asleep right now, except for maybe a select few out of the majority. We're gonna go ahead and head out, guys. See you at the job. Alright, everyone, we just pulled up to the job. I forgot my invoice and estimate already pre-pended. I'll call them, make sure that they're here, coming out. See what options I have to get in here. Looks like we already attempted to get in. So we got a unlock and lock button down there. I think that's what we're gonna reach for. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Hello.
Hi.
Is your car?
My husband.
Okay. I'm Brandon, by the way.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Are you alright?
My husband took the key, took off.
Oh no. Sorry to hear that. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to get the unlock button there. Looks like you tried getting in.
Oh,
already?
I tried.
Yeah?
I tried.
Okay.
But it's, when you close the door, they automatically lock.
Yeah.
It's a bitch.
Okay. And you're not sure if the keys are in there?
No, he lost the keys somewhere right down the road.
Oh, that's a bummer.
And I can't even get home.
Wow.
And he took off the night. That's what
Okay.
I have
Oh.
the title and stuff in the car.
Oh man. It is under your name though too?
It's under both.
It's under both your names? Okay. I'm really sorry to hear you're going through this. I am recording for purposes of my training and stuff. But once I do unlock it, it will probably have an alarm that goes off. No? Oh, you've had this happen before?
It doesn't have an alarm.
Okay.
But I can't get it to stop locking every time I close it.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
And we got pissed off because we lost the key and got arguing and for that. Okay, husband.
I've been there. I've actually.
We've only been married.
What's
Today,
What's
4
that?
months when we were married. Today is our anniversary.
How long?
4 months.
4 months. I'm sorry. Sometimes the beginning is the hardest. I know from experience. I got married young, but
This is my first time. I'm 37 years married.
I'm 34 and I got married at 19. And she came from Oregon and I was living in California, so I can relate. I remember chasing after her down the sidewalk and then back and forth constantly. Sometimes there's a learning curve in a relationship, and I'm sorry.
I've been doing that for them already.
Yeah. Do you have a good email address if you're gonna want a receipt sent to you?
I don't know when we I don't even know if I have it.
Oh no, I'm just gonna put the email
I'm
in.
trying to think what email on this.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't know what phone he's got.
Oh. I could always also.
Took everything.
I could always also message you the receipt if that works for you.
Yeah, that works. My phone's off. Shut off. I'm not shut off, but dead
Just
right now.
okay.
All my chargers and all my clothes and $1,550.
And it is, yes. And what's the phone number you want me to send that to? That's how you spell your name, or did I get it wrong?
D.
Oh, so that's your last name?
That's my last name.
Okay, I see.
I'm supposed to go change my last name today.
Oh. Well, I hope you guys work it out. No? You think it's over?
He left me over here.
Yeah.
Took off my house keys, my other car keys. Said the key broke off in here. It doesn't look like no key broke off in here.
So there's the breakdown for you. The service call fee, the auto unlock, and car processing fee for paying by car. The total is $145.
145.
Yeah, well, that includes the $10 discount I'm giving you. I know it's not a lot, but it gives you something. If you just want to sign there for me. Oh.
I think it's better. He left me, you know. He didn't my soldier in there. You were supposed to stop at his prison.
Oh. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up here. See if I can.
We just bought this car yesterday.
You just bought it yesterday? Dang.
We went half on it. It was our first thing together.
Wow. I'll be right back.
It's crazy that it locks every time you close it.
Yeah.
I was talking to my friend tonight. How do I fix this? I even tried breaking up. It didn't work. It won't break.
Try breaking what?
I tried breaking out the little window right there.
Oh no.
It wouldn't work. It wouldn't break.
Oh yeah, and that's actually one of the most expensive ones.
Okay.
Better off just busting the
He can
front.
pay for it.
Oh yeah.
He wants to leave. It's on him. I'm not paying for it. Okay. Let's see. Oh. $5 fee.
See if I can. So those unlock buttons are what I'm going for over here.
I was like, need a key too, you know?
Right.
sit in there, charge my phone, and have his friend come bring me that shit. No more. It's crazy.
Did you get it to
The locks,
press?
the lock things, they don't want to work most of the time.
Oh,
The press buttons.
the button's not work? Doesn't work?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to do too.
Could you shine that light right there for me?
Right there?
Yeah, maybe a little lower, like where the handle is.
Guys, oh my god, you're such a lifesaver.
Thank you. Sorry that you're going through all that.
Do you need the?
I'll grab it, yeah.
No, I'm saying, do you need all the information and everything?
Oh.
Like the permit and my ID and everything.
Yeah, if you could, like, just show, like, the...
There's my ID, there's 140, and then I got like 5 or something.
Oh, don't even worry about it. I'll just do the one for
I tried opening the trunk.
Yeah, that would have been really difficult. Here's your ID back. Yeah, you're welcome. And I'll send you a receipt to that phone number you gave me, okay?
Okay.
You're welcome. I wish you the best, and I'm sorry that you're going through all this. I'll say a prayer for you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It will get better. There's a reason for it. You can't see it now, but in the long run, you'll be able to look back and say, yeah, I get it. I was married for 12 years, and I have a daughter, a 7-year-old daughter, and I'm from Florida originally. So, oh, did you? Oh, yeah. Well, that probably plays a big role in it too, in the relationship. I mean, that's a hard thing to deal with.
How much would it be?
On this, probably $250, $300, fortunately. Ordering code on this car, I'd have to really look to give you a for sure estimate, but that's my best estimate without actually like digging a little bit further into looking into this car. I'll give you a card. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Better. I hope it gets better. Okay. Thanks for calling us. All right. I just got done helping Donna out. And now I see why I got this call at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm sorry that you were going through such a hard time. I get sent out to jobs sometimes, not necessarily because the key's locked in the car, but to just be somebody who can share and be a voice of kindness and caring in times when people are going through difficult situations. And Donna was a perfect example of that. I don't know how much of this video I'm going to be able to keep, seeing as it was very personal with regards to what was going on in her life, but she was going through a breakup. And she was married, she just got married recently, so now she's dealing with potential divorce, and it seemed like she was pretty certain that their relationship is over. And that's not fun for anybody to go through. And when I got there and called and she came out, she was clearly in a state of mind of havoc that she was dealing with her new husband, who just walked away and left on her, or something along those lines. And her car devastated, crying. And there's more to what was going on in her life that day, this day, today. Therefore, I was able to be nice and show her some empathy and let her know that I'll send some prayers her way, because she's going through a tough time right now. But I was able to share with her that everything happens for a reason, and even though she doesn't know why right now, she'll be able to look back and say, oh, yeah, now I see why I was being led the way I was, and what occurred was for my benefit. So Donna, if you ever watch this, hopefully now that some time has passed, you can say what I just told you and move on in peace, knowing that this was for your betterment. So I hope you guys liked watching what I could post that's not edited. This one's certainly going to have some edited parts. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Make it a great day, everyone. I'm going to. I'm not going back to sleep. It's past 3 o'clock. It's actually it's 4 o'clock. So what time is it? It's now 4:15. So about an hour from the time that I got a call. Boy, it's gonna be a long day. But I got a lot of work I can get done, so have a great day. Like and subscribe. Good morning, Locksmith.
Hello?
Yes, hi. Hello, can you hear me?
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Hello. How you doing? Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, yeah. My wife said you just stepped over there on Market, and I just pulled up right here. I got the key, and I got the money. So I'm trying to get my car out of there now.
You got the key and you got the money.
Yeah, it's gonna. Huh? I just for the new chip, because the tip of the key broke off as I was trying to open my door. I was pushed, so it snapped at the tip of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I got that part of the key, and I got the rest of the money. I don't know if I want to put tomorrow, but I'm going to get the money now, and I'm expecting for you guys to come, man.
Okay, so you want us to come make you guys another key?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Let me see when I can have my technician come out,
Okay.
and I can give you a.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, well, okay, I don't know if I'm going to be, I don't know if you're going to answer the phone, but I'm going to be right here for whoever comes.
Okay, yeah, I don't know how long it will be. To be honest with you, I can give you a call back and give you an estimate.
Hold on. Talk to me.
Hi, this is Donna. You just sent somebody out here to,
Yeah, it was me.
car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He found the key.
Oh, he did. Oh, okay.
But
What
it's half broke.
It's broken.
So, when is it? Yeah, it's half
Did-
broke.
Did you want us to come out or no?
How much is it? Yeah, how much is it to get a new key? 300 or something? And if that, whatever it is, we'll pay for it right now.
Okay, I have to go back and make sure I have the key blink for sure for that car. So it'll
Okay.
probably be about 30 minutes or so before I'd have an answer for you, but I can give you guys a call back on this number if you'd like.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like me to do that?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for the call back, and I'll look into it right away. And what year is it?
I think
2011.
2011? Okay, perfect. All right, thank you. Are you there? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah. I'm sorry, hang on.
No, it's okay. I actually was curious. It's an STS, right? Or a CTS?
That's not, hold on. Hold on. It's a CTS.
A CTS. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me look into it and I'll give you guys a call back here in a little bit.
Appreciate it, man, so much.
Alright, you're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Interesting. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. And again, this is Brandon with B-Dubs answering the call. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.